Okay, we're going to be getting a new unit, Unit C, and C1 is Angle Vocabulary. It says, look at this angle. What is the vertex? Well, you're going to have an angle whenever you have 3 points not in a line, and your vertex is always going to be that sharp point. X is not the vertex, V is not the vertex, the W is the vertex because that's where the corner is. Look at this angle. What's the vertex? X is the vertex. Look at this angle. Name the angle. Okay, anytime you see the word name, then these, you must use one of these. But when it says angle, then you're going to use this angle marker. You must use the angle marker if you are naming an angle. So whenever you have this, there are 3 different correct answers. The first one, and all 3 have the vertex. The vertex in the name. So the first one would be going from X to Z to Y. If you use all 3 letters, then the vertex must be in the middle. You could also do from Y to Z to X. And then the other one is just using angle. That's sorry. I'm using a new system. I'm trying to figure it out. So here we are. Then angle Z. All 3 of those would be correct answers to be able to put in the box. Look at this angle. Name the angle. So again, you must choose this button because we are naming it. So angle CBA, angle ABC, or just angle B. The vertices, the vertex, has to be there. Okay. Naming sides. An angle is made up of 2 rays. A ray, if you recall, has an endpoint and then continues through another point. Has an endpoint and continues through another point. So there are 2 rays with a common endpoint. The common endpoint is the vertex. So if you're naming the sides, you're naming the rays. If you're naming the rays, then we must use the ray symbol. And don't forget that if you're naming rays, the end point must come first, and then the other point that it goes through comes second. So ray, W, X, and ray, W, V would go into these 2 boxes. That's an X. Look at this angle. Name this angle in 3 different ways. So like I said earlier, there were 3 different ways of being able to name those angles, earlier. This one we want all 3 of them, and it doesn't matter which row you do. But remember, you must use the angle symbol. So let's make sure we know what angles we have. So angle GHI, angle IHG, or angle H. All three of those will go in those boxes. Look at this angle. Does X lie in the interior or the exterior of angle UVW? Here's X, and here is your angle. If we extended that out, would X be on the inside or the outside? It would be on the inside. So we would write interior. Look at this angle. Does Y lie on the interior or the exterior of WXY? If we extended these arrows all the way this way, where would Y be? This would be the inside, because it would be a smaller angle inside. This would be the outside, because the angle is bigger than the other one. But where is Y? Y is part of that angle, so it's not on the interior or the exterior. It's neither. Make sure you look at the letter it's asking for. It's going to try to trick you sometimes. Okay, I guess that's it. Have fun.